Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we are going to be talking about task dependencies. Dependencies are relationships between tasks based on sequence. A dependent task can only start or finish based on the status of another task. Birdview makes it easy to configure and manage these relationships using the Gantt view. There are three types of dependencies in Birdview. The first is finish to start, which means that task B can't begin until task A is completed. The second is start to start, where task B can't begin until task A starts. Lastly, there's start to finish, which means task B can't finish until task A begins. Let's see these in action. Using the Gantt view, you can visually create dependencies. For example, if task A must finish before task B starts, simply drag from the end of the first task to the start of the second to create a finish to start link. A visual arrow will confirm the connection. For a start-to-start scenario, like when both tasks need to begin together, you create a dependency from the start of one task to the start of the other. If task D must find when task C starts, you use a start-to-start dependency. You can also add lag days, which are delays between dependent tasks. For example, if you need a 5-day buffer after one task ends before the next starts, set that during the dependency setup, and the Gantt view will reflect it. On the My Assignments page, Birdview shows tasks with unfinished predecessors. Enable the toggle to see a red chain icon on tasks that are waiting on others. This feature is especially useful when the same resource is assigned to both tasks. In the Activity Center, you can enable a dependency column to see which tasks are linked. By clicking on a task, you'll see its dependencies and have the option to add new ones, as long as the tasks are in the same project space. Each task has a unique ID used for tracking dependencies. If needed, you can easily remove a dependency by clicking the plus sign in the task details, selecting the trash icon, and saving your changes. All actions are logged in the audit trail for transparency. And that's it! For more tips on how to use Birdview, be sure to check out our other tutorial videos.